Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on some quick lunch ideas. So what I have here, what I normally like to do is a main course, a fruit, a vegetable, a snack, which is missing, and a treat. Now the reason why I have the snack missing is because this is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So because it's already sweet, and I already have a sweet here, I went ahead and just took out the snack, which normally is some chips. So anyway, what we have here, is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. For our fruit, we have half an orange, and I went ahead and I cut it into little pieces so they can eat it. So half an orange, and then we got two little celery sticks here. And then we got some Elmer Fudge cookies. And those ones are broken up, so these are, Elmer Fudge cookies. So anyway, this is just a quick lunch idea. You can always do more or less. These are just some ideas to show you what you can be able to make your friends, family, and loved ones for some lunches. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and definitely, God bless.